Hey guys, so today we've just checked out of our room in Bang Saray, and we're going to go for a little ride around and just explore the Bang Saray area. We're going to do similar to what we did in Pattaya, where we're just kind of riding around, checking out the sights. Yeah, just see what we can find.
Yeah, it should be fun, just exploring, going wherever the roads take us.
Yeah.
So come along and
ride with us.
Bang Saray with us.
Yeah,
and ride with us. See from when we're driving through this beach road, the beach here is so much more quiet. There's like hardly any of those beach chairs. It's just really lovely down here. Like there's basically no one around. I feel it's a lot nicer than Jomtien or even Pattaya Beach. Coming down the beach for us is just about relaxation, and the sparseness of the buildings, the cafes, restaurants is really nice, and not a lot of people trying to sell you shit, and not a lot of chairs and umbrellas, which we really appreciate.
Yeah, it's great. I'll just pan around so you can see what we're talking about a bit more.
Yeah, that's sick. That tastes like a great Aussie latte.
I got an iced latte, and I'm hoping it's better than the coffee that I had this morning. We went to a little cart on the side of the road, and I got an iced Americano with lemon in it, and it was gross. Oh yeah, that's good.
That's the
That's the go.
That's the So we just headed down the beach a bit further, natural shade with the trees up against the wall, and then you got the beach. A bit more beach here as well, and we've definitely noticed that water's looking a lot cleaner than the Jomtien region. Yeah,
it's actually clear here and blue, not browny.
It's a sick little spot.
It was funny, I put the camera down on the ground to get a shot of us leaving on the scooter. I went to pick it up, some guy yelled out at us, "Don't forget the camera!" Made us both laugh pretty hard.
Yeah,
it was so good.
It's funny because that's something we see with a lot of YouTubers, vloggers. Yeah, those kind of camera effects, and we're always thinking, "Hey, don't forget your camera." And then he said what we're all thinking. So. Yeah.
So it's interesting here because this side of the road here is Bang Saray, and then on the other side of the road is Jomtien.
So you got two suburbs pretty much separated by one small road. So we're headed back to Jomtien now. We're going to stop off somewhere for lunch on the way. But Bang Saray has been awesome. We've absolutely loved it down here.
So come down here, have a look.
So just off the motorway, there's all of these little, looks like kind of fishing communities here in Jomtien. It's freaking awesome to see. It's just so different to like all the commercial areas that you find in like the touristy spots, and yeah, it's cool to just see a different side of Thailand, that's for sure. The old helmet hair to try and figure out where we are. Yeah, as I was saying, it's really cool to sort of get out of the tourist areas and just explore some of these little back alleys and see some more authentic Thai culture.
Yeah, it's really cool just squeezing through these little side roads and checking out the area between Jomtien and Bang Saray, which is apparently still Jomtien. So never knew it stretched that far.
We've just had a look on the maps. We're probably like 10 minutes away from the main touristy spot is in Jomtien. It literally feels like we're in the middle of nowhere here though.
Yeah, it's really cool just driving along here and just seeing a bit more slightly untouched by tourist areas.
You've just seen us drive through that little kind of fishing community. We've literally been on the bike for probably about 60 seconds and we're already where all of these massive resorts, big buildings and stuff are. So it's just super interesting, like the contrast of it for sure.
Yeah, these are some serious good looking places here, so obviously this is the higher end. The roads are brand new as well.
Yeah, the contrast is insane. Like just that little community right there compared to this is it's just hectic. We're gonna head home now. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section below. Let us know what you thought, and please remember to like and subscribe to the video. We do appreciate it a lot, and we'll see you guys in the next video.